Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is May 12th. Looking at SPX. Notice the Chicago, we are running into candles, so at this point I would expect consolidation, a move towards the cloud probably, and then you're going to have to see if you do a Chicago breakout that could take the next leg higher. Now if the bears are strong, if they break below the candles here and are able to take advantage of this Kumo in flux, what I call, there's no flat area except a little portion right there maybe. There's not a big flat area like this to provide support, so the bears can take advantage of this trending Kumo here and break it down. So we'll have to see what goes on, but at this point I would definitely be light on the long positions as the Chicago is going to be in a congestion area. And you'll see this theme pretty much in all stocks and indices right now. Same thing here in the Nasdaq. We are below the Kijun and the Tenkan. Chicago going to run into resistance, and we are above the Kumo, so that is bullish, but the other things are bearish. So time to stay a little bit away and just watch the market at this point. Looking at gold, nothing there really. We are supporting on this trend on the support area right here around 1280 or rather 1275, 1280. We are below the Kijun and we are below the cloud, so at this point if you want to go long gold, I would rather see them come above the cloud and then play the next leg up. If you want to short gold, you could if they break back below these lows. That will make the Chicago break down too, so wait for a short at that point. Oil has a similar chart to the S&P. Chicago running into resistance. We are below the Kijun Tenkan but above the Kumo. So at this point I would expect consolidation towards the cloud and then maybe a next leg higher. Just depends on what they'll do then. So nothing, I would not be playing long or short on oil either. UUP for the dollar, same scenario. We are supporting on the Kijun on this one. Watch to see this one. If they break this trend line to the upside, we could have another leg up for the dollar. If they do break down here, then you're pretty much going to be in the same case. Some indications of this would be bearish, some would be bullish. So really best way is to stay out of the market. Somebody asked about Netflix. Really nothing there. It's in a congestion zone. I would not want to be long or short this one. If they break, for going short, even if they break below the cloud, you do want to see the Chicago break below the cloud. You have a really strong support zone here. So I don't know if the bears are strong enough to do that. But at this point, to go long, I would have to. It'll have to be about the 385, 386 level. Google had a nasty gap down for the earnings. They are supporting on the Kumo here, so for very aggressive traders, you could buy towards the Kumo, or Friday was actually a good day to buy towards the bottom of the Kumo with a stop below it, with an ATR stop below it maybe, and see what happens. But at this point, you do have a big gap you need to fill. So if they do come back down towards the bottom of the Kumo, I would not be afraid to buy a little bit and keep the stop below the Kumo. And last one, let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia, same scenario. We could come down here, test the Kumo. However, on this one, earnings are this week, so yeah, I would rather stay away. And Intel also had a nasty gap down after the earnings. We are approaching these lows here. Let's look at the weekly. Broken below the cloud on this one, but Chicago is inside congestion, so the bears are not going to have it easy either. I would not be afraid to buy this around the 44, 45 area. A lot of support back there. That'll be it.